YouTube. What's up? This your boy TZ Guapo, and I'm back with another video. This time we got an unboxing. Got some packages from Amazon. I get packages like every 2 days. Keep it a buck. Every 2 days I get packages. So I know some of the stuff in here. I think it's like 3 different packages inside one. I be forgetting what I be ordering sometimes. I just be getting stuff. Oh, this is camera mount. So, oh, this is dope. I'm gonna try to put this together. Nah, I was gonna put it together and shoot the rest of the video off of that, but nah, this video ain't gonna be that long for me to have to do all that. What else I got? Okay, I got my Dodge keychain. Yep, that Dodge keychain, man. Alright, I'm definitely putting that on the keys soon. Putting that on the keys. Hey, big Bulldog fan, man. You already know what's going on. Big Bulldog fan. Is that it? Nope, one more thing in here. Got one more thing in here. This is, what is this? Okay, this for the cup holders. For some more interior upgrades. This come with some 3M. Let these windows down, it's hot. Come with some 3M, just put it on there. Let's see if I can open it. Is it anyone special that they go? The 3M. So you got this for the cup holders. And you got this one for under the center console. Wait, that's weird. Oh no, I see. Okay. And this for, I don't know where the other cup holder ones go. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out. I can't get it out. I'm stuck. Okay, got it. Gotta make sure it's on the right. Put the right thing in the right place. That looks so big. I don't know. Is it the same size? Same size. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Did I just get one piece of 3M tape? Oh. It has instructions. Or does it? There's no instructions. I just need to know what I got. Oh. Oh, these come up. Oh. I did not know these came out. The original cup holders come out. I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm gonna put that together another time. I gotta figure that out. What I can do. So, I know where this one goes. It goes right here. Like that. And this one goes right here. I'ma just sit them in without the 3 of them right now. Just set them in place. But I really need to know these extra cup holders go. It's not telling me. Anyway, that's for another time. Another time. Get my keychain right. Good thing about this keychain though, this part goes through the key. This part goes straight through the key, so. So funny. Probably weird I keep complaining about being hot and I got this fleece on. I've been inside all day though. Been in the AC, but and go in just like that. Yep. But yeah, that's all this was. Just a quick unboxing video. Not too much going on. Just get back with you next video. Finna smash out.
But wait, there's more.
Alright, so I just went, can't get copyrighted. That J. Cole, man, all season. Shout out to Cole, man, dropped the classic. But yeah, I got the, what is it? Got the camera mount posted up. I just want to see how it look. Hold on.
Okay. I feel dizzy. Dude. Why do I feel dizzy?
So, boom, it's up. That's what it look like. And I like it's pretty strong. They up there pretty strong. And you just hit this to take it down. And it pop right out. That's all it did. Boom. Boom. Alright. And you can mount it. You pretty much mount it wherever though. But yeah. So that was just a quick unboxing video, man. That was a quick unboxing video. And yeah, I'm out.